Here's the team making affordable net zero energy accessory dwelling units. The engineering, permitting, and construction team successfully worked together on the 672 square foot net energy producing home already built in Chico. And that led to our meeting Lizzie Young and her board chair at the Chico Housing Action Team, who are providing shovel ready backyard sites for these first two homes. CalNext and Skydeck support could dovetail with LARDA's Venture Fellows program, helping us with market development in the LA area, and Berkeley Haas's Clean Tech to Market team of graduate students supporting go-to-market in Berkeley and the Bay Area, as well as state and national strategies for expansion. Our speaking engagements could be including the California Green Building Conference and the Housing Innovation Alliance Summit in May, and the Pacific Coast Builders Conference in July. Our R&D partners have included the Energy Plus modeling experts and top building scientists at Oak Ridge National Labs and Berkeley Labs, Intertech Architectural Testing, the best in the business, Mississippi State University, Mississippi Polymer Institute, and the International Codes Council Evaluation Services. Thanks.